Hello everyone, my name is Vrinder Pal Singh. In this video, I will be reflecting on the video titled 5 Tips for Communication Better in Relationship. Communication is the constant of any healthy relationship, and understanding how to communicate effectively and can significant improve how we can connect with others. In this reflecting, I will discuss how the 5 tips improve align with effective and appropriate communication, how they contribute to various interpersonal goals, and how cultural norm might influence communication strategy. Effective and appropriate communication. Now let's break down the 5 tips provided in the video and discuss how they align with effective and appropriate communication in relationship. The first tip is active listening. Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about truly understanding and responding to what the other person is saying. This creates a deeper level of connection because it shows the other person that you value the interperspective. Active listening helps avoid misunderstanding and strengthen the bond between individuals. For example, when someone shares a concern, listening activity shows that you care about their feeling and want to find a solution together. The second tip is being clear and concise. Clear communication helps to avoid confusion, which is a key in preventing unnecessary conflict. When we express our thought clearly, it allows the other person to respond in an important way. This is especially important in relationships where both individuals are trying to meet each other's needs and desires. For instance, if one person is unclear about their needs, the other might not be able to meet them, leading to frustration and impossible restment. The third tip is empathy. Empathy means understanding and sharing the feeling of another person. This goes hand in hand with active listening about adds an emotion element. When you show empathy, you make the other person feel heard and understood, which builds trust and emotional connection. Empathy creates a safe space for people to express themselves without fear of judgment. For example, when a friend is upset, offering an empathy response like I understand how they must feel and comfort them and strengthen your bond. The fourth tip is choosing the right timing. Effective communication is not just about what you say, but also when we say it. Picking the right moment to improve or conservation ensures that both people are open and respectful. If you try to discuss something serious when one person is distracted or stressed, the conversation might not be productive. Choosing the right time can help prevent unnecessary conflict and ensures that both parties are fully engaged in the discussion. The fifth tip is being open and honest. Transparency is communication trust, which is essential for any health relationship. When you honest about your feeling, you invite the other person to do some same promotion and open and understanding environment. However, honesty should be balanced with kindness and respect. It improves to communicate honestly without being hurtful or overburdened. Interpersonal goals. Now let's explore how the tips contribute to various interpersonal goals. There are three primary type of interpersonal goal in communication: instrumental, relationship maintenance, and self-presentation goal. Instrumental goal refer to achieve specific outcome or task in relationship, such as solving problem or making discussions. The tip in this video, such as clear communication and achieve listening, directly support an instrumental goal. For example, if you and your partner are discussing plan for a trip, clear communication helps both people understand each other's needs, ensuring the trip is planned smoothly and without misunderstanding. Relationship maintenance goals are about the relationship strong and healthy. Tip like empathy, choosing the right timing, and being open and honest are all instrumental in maintaining a good relationship. For instance, empathy and active listening ensure that both parties feel valued and respected. This in turn prevent relationship and help you stay emotional connected even when conflict arise. Self-presentation goal involve how we want others to see us. In a relationship, we often want to see as caring, understanding, and trustworthy. Communication effectively by being clear, concerned, and empathy help present over less in the best possible light. For example, if you are open and honest about your feeling, people will likely see you a genuine and empathy, which help build trust and possible self-presentation. Cultural influence. Finally, let's consider the role of culture influence in the advice provided in this video. Communication style can vary greatly across culture, and these tips may be interpreted or applied differently depending on one cultural background. For example, in some cultural, direct communication is valued, and being clear and concerned in the scene an important sign of respect in the concern. Other culture may emphasize indirect communication, where clarity could be perceived as blunt or even rude. In these cultures, timing and empathy might play a larger role than directness. The tip of timing is particularly influenced by the culture. In some society, people may avoid discussions topic in public or in presence of extended family as it may be as disrespectful. In other cultural emotional support in a public setting may be expected or appreciated. Moreover, the importance of empathy and active listening can vary. While these traits are generally positive across culture, in the same setting individual may evolve, making them less likely to share emotion openly. This can be influence how empathy is expressed and perceived in relationships. So, while the five tips are universal beneficial, they may need to be adopted dependently and cultural norm to fulfill effective in diverse setting. In conclusion, the five communication tip discussion in this video: active listening, being clear and concerned, empathy, timing, and honesty are essential for forecasting effective and healthy relationship. These strategies help us achieve instrumental goal, maintain relationship, and present ourselves in the best light. However, cultural influence can shape how these tips are perceived and implemented in the different contexts. By being mindful of these cultural variations, we can ensure that our communication is both effective and respectful in diverse environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this reflection have provided you valuable